Intro hook. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to transfer money quickly and securely, but couldn't figure out how to get a relay account number? It's a common problem, but it doesn't have to be a frustrating one. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of obtaining a relay account number so you can send and receive funds with ease. Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand what a relay account number is and why it's important. A relay account number is essentially a unique identifier that links your account to the relay network, allowing you to make transactions seamlessly. It's like your digital address for money. Having a relay account number is crucial for a variety of reasons, including sending and receiving money. Obviously, you need a relay account number to send or receive funds through the relay network. Making payments. You can use your relay account number to pay bills, shop online, and more. Accessing additional services. Some relay providers offer additional services, such as cryptocurrency trading or international transfers, that require a relay account number. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to business and learn how to get a relay account number. The process is relatively straightforward, but it may vary slightly depending on the specific relay provider you're using. Here's a general outline. Choose a relay provider. There are several reputable relay providers out there, each with its own unique features and benefits. Do your research to find a provider that best suits your needs. Create an account. Once you've selected a provider, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity. To ensure security, most relay providers will require you to verify your identity. This may involve providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. Fund your account. Before you can start using your relay account, you'll need to fund it. This can typically be done by transferring funds from your bank account or using a debit or credit card. Find your account number. Once your account is funded and verified, you should be able to find your relay account number in your account settings or dashboard. It will be a unique sequence of numbers and letters. Additional tips. Keep your account number secure. Treat your relay account number like you would any other sensitive information. Never share it with anyone you don't know or trust. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your relay account. This will require you to provide a code from a second device, such as your smartphone, in addition to your password. Contact customer support if needed. If you're having trouble finding your relay account number or have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact your provider's customer support team. Conclusion. Obtaining a relay account number is a relatively simple process that can open up a world of possibilities for sending and receiving money. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to get your account number and start using Relay to your advantage. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.